Drones are now commonly used for security, including at state events. One useful technology is called Drone Shooter. It can disable unauthorized drones that may pose a threat to security. By using radio signals, the system can jam the communication between the drone and its operator, causing it to land or crash. This technology is especially helpful at events where large crowds gather. However, it must be regulated carefully to avoid interfering with legitimate drone use. The operators must be properly trained and licensed. Overall, drone shooter technology is a valuable tool to ensure the safety of state events.